What's up, everyone? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. We talk about crypto and all things crypto related. And one of the biggest things we talk about is adoption. Okay, adoption is huge and key for crypto to not only survive but thrive in the coming future. And I found this article talking about how more than 30% of Canadians plan to purchase crypto by 2024. Geez, there's a bug in my face. Now, before we go ahead and dive into this, again, if you are new to the channel or haven't already, make sure you go ahead, show your support for the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. So, Grant Vingo, CEO of Ontario Securities Commission, reiterated the regulator's technology-neutral stance on crypto while saying many Canadians plan to become holders in the near future. So we know from our research being published later this month that more than 30% of Canadians plan to buy crypto assets in the next year. It is a challenge to bar non-compliant firms from offering services in Canada. With a limited budget and finite enforcement staff to cover our entire entire capital markets, there's only so much we can do, but we are making progress. So this article really spoke to me, and it leads me to this story that I have. So I have a buddy of mine, okay? His name is, let's call him Zach, okay? Let's call him Zach. And Zach and I go way back, okay? And I got into crypto about a year and a half ago or so now, almost going on 2 years. And there were some things that I liked, so I talked to him and wanted to help him get onboarded into crypto. He's very interested in it, very receptive. Now his problem is that he lives in Ontario, okay, in Ontario, Canada. And the struggle and pain that he went through to try to get onboarded into crypto, absolute nightmare. Just an absolute nightmare. There was like one place he got into, but then he had to work around and there was a hold on his funds and all this sort of stuff. And the problem is that crypto shouldn't be that hard to get into. It should be easily accessible. And I think right now we're at this point where, outside of the US or places that crypto is already huge, it is very difficult to get in. Okay. It's very difficult to find approved places that will allow you to onboard your money easily and inexpensively and to get, in a spot where you can take up your position for the next cycle. That's one of the biggest problems that's surrounding crypto right now. Okay. Now, the nice thing is that there are things coming, for example, like ClearCryptos, that are going to make at least some parts of that easier. Obviously we don't know what the whole grand scope is going to look like yet, but there are ways that this is going to get easier, obviously, as time goes on. And regulation is obviously trying to be pushed in many countries right now to obviously make it, easier, safer, and all this sort of stuff. But that's the biggest gripe with crypto right now is one, some people think it's not safe. Two, some people think it's too hard or too complicated to get into. So you need some kind of middle ground across all these different spectrums to obviously, make it a good time. Okay. Because if you can't get your money in or you're getting into projects and, they're getting rugged and stuff like that, you're not going to have a good time. Okay. But that's all I really got for you guys in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed my story. Zach is doing well. All right. He's doing well right now, as far as I know. But yeah. Hopefully there are some things that happen in the near future that, again, make it just easier and more efficient for everybody. But as always, I appreciate you guys stopping in. We appreciate you guys stopping in. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. Again, stay updated anytime there's content live here on the channel. Appreciate you guys' support again. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care, guys.